Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty Group.
Whatever it takes to get you in that next home.
I'm going to bring you today's truth is
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to their destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello world, I'm back with you again. I need somebody to go to lunch with. My day got all flipped upside down today, which happens, and I understand. And I move when clients need me to move. So somebody message me, text me, comment, who wants to go to lunch with me, because I hate to eat by myself. I'm going to do this little video here on how to make coffee at the North office, since Lee just had to teach me this morning, because I've never used this bun here coffee maker before that automatically starts making coffee right away. So you gotta take out, I mean, this is a simple part everybody knows, the filter and the coffee, and here's the water thing to pour it into, and they have a little measuring cup up here somewhere. Where did you grab that from? See, it's a good thing I'm doing this. See, I'm saving you all time and making sure there's some instruction here, and then I'll do up a typed instruction and hang it up for everybody so they can be like me. There was a little cup thingy. Oh, maybe he put it back in the bag, maybe. But here's coffee. And they had a little thingy there. I'm very intrigued now. See, this is why we do these tests. So we can figure out where the coffee thing is. I thought it was in like a red thing. Maybe it's in the box here, sweeteners or something. See, normally you want to run these test runs, and I had him show me, because I'm always about the old philosophy of teach me to fish, don't just fish for me. Like Jesus said, you're going to be fishers of men. Go out and teach others to fish. Okay, so somewhere here there was... Here it is. It's inside this. See, I found it. Okay, you got to go down here. And open this thingy up here. Yep, and here's the measuring thing. And if you're like me, you fill it up all the way. Then you put the coffee and the filter in here and shove this thing in. And then you got to make sure, take this thing apart, because the pump thingy has to be out of it, and you got to put this pump thingy back in. I just had to figure that out this morning myself. Figured it out all by my lonesome. So, and then you put this back down. You got to leave it open to fill it. And you got to make sure it's under it to begin with, because as soon as you start pouring the water in, like so, you got to flip open this little thingy here and pour the water in. It starts making right away. So you got to make sure this thing is underneath before you pour water. So that is a quick tutorial on how to make coffee at the North office for those people like me that can't figure stuff out on their own. All right, everyone have a great day.